Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Knight plus mare. Nightmare. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Cymraeg.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the start of another week here on Concentration. I hope you were watching Friday, because this young lady on my right won 2 games in a row, picked up $7,000 in each one of those games. And as a result, she returns today with $14,618 in prizes. Welcome back, Stacey Olsen.
Thank you.
How you feel? Of all the prizes you have won, and you've got a couple of great vacations there. You've got one in San Juan and one in Bermuda. Mm-hmm. Which one is...
I would say probably San Juan, because I've been studying Spanish for about 12 years, and now I'm finally going to get to use it. So.
You get a chance to use your Spanish.
Yeah.
All right, nice going. Today you face this challenger, Tom Buzan?
Buzan.
Hello, Tom Buzan. Buzan. What's the ethnic derivation?
You got me. There's some Irish in it, and that's about all I know.
Really?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Michigan originally.
And now you're living and working here in Southern California?
Right. My wife got an excellent job opportunity out here. I used to be a DJ in Michigan, a morning disc jockey.
Are you doing the same kind of work out here?
No, actually, I'm staying at home with my 15-and-a-half-month-old daughter, and it's very
You're
rewarding.
a house husband.
Yes, exactly.
And you're enjoying it, I bet.
Yes, I am.
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Get to spend a lot of time.
I do.
Makes you close with your child. You ready to take a look at one of the prizes in this first game?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Something for your home.
A limited edition graphic Antigua by Franche Ledin. This beautiful serigraph is numbered and hand-signed by the artist and is furnished by Promenade Gallery, Santa Monica. Alex.
And we will show Tom and Stacey where they will find the artwork on the board at number 11. Oh, by the way, since Stacey is into traveling, and you may be also, Tom, we have a beautiful vacation in Switzerland.
Oh.
As
nice.
one of the prizes, one of the matches in this game. And you get to pick first.
All right. Let's go with number 9.
9 has a set of golf clubs in it.
Golf clubs. How about number 2?
Crystal candlesticks. No match there. Stacey.
Hey, I love Switzerland, and I want to go back. So let's look for Switzerland under number 4.
Red
Red
take.
take. All right, let's find a match for that red take under number 15.
Ice cream maker. No match. Tom.
Up in the right-hand corner, number 5.
Swiss holiday. There you go.
There it is. Number 22.
Beautiful. The other Swiss holiday is at number 10, and so 3 panels are going to open for Tom.
Whew.
Now, if you solve this puzzle right here,
I'm leaving.
I'll give you 2 trips to Switzerland. What kind of DJ work did you do? Was it morning drive?
Morning show kind of thing.
Did you have
Funny,
something like the morning zoo approach?
Similar to that.
A lot of wackos working?
Wackiness, yeah.
Right.
Your
Okay, we're
basic
like
stuff.
that here, too. Mostly when Gene's around. You pick again.
Number 16.
Golf clubs.
Oh, I just turned those over.
Yep.
Number 4?
Don't think so. That's the red take. Stacey.
Okay, let's see if we can find those golf clubs under number 9.
That's it.
And number 16 for the match.
You are correct. All right, looks like we're opening up 2 different areas of the puzzle. Will it help? We're starting to see something. Pick again.
Okay, let's look under number 19.
Wild card.
Wild card. And number 4.
Thought you'd go for that.
Yeah.
Thought you'd go for that. The red take. The other one, where is it? It's down in the right-hand corner at number 25. Lately on our show, I pick up these takes whenever a contestant makes the match, and I don't get a chance to put them down into the slot.
And
because
you won't this time.
I won't?
No, bring it over.
Bring it over. Switzerland, bring it over.
Oh.
Tom has a lot of fans out here. That's nice.
It sounds like.
3 more panels opening up for Stacey. Look at the puzzle carefully. Go again.
Okay, let's take a look in the corner, number 1.
Green take.
Green take. Be nice to get a match for that. Let's try under number 23.
Wild card, so you are not in any danger in this game of losing your holiday in Switzerland. The other green take's on the board at number 12. Here it is. You'll keep this as insurance for later on, and meanwhile, we will open 3 more panels for you. Select again.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 2.
Crystal candlesticks.
We saw those. Let's find a match for those crystal candlesticks under number 24.
No, we have a car telephone there.
Ooh.
Tom.
Number 20.
Performance tires.
And right smack dab in the middle, number 13.
Performance tires, right smack dab in the middle.
Yeah.
Good. Open the panels for him. Select again.
Number 7.
Assorted parlor games.
How about 21?
Gold braided bracelet. No match. Stacy.
Okay, let's take a look under number 3.
Gold braided bracelet.
And did we just see that under number 21?
We sure did. It's another match for you. And it gives you an opportunity to use the green tape. The red one is already gone.
You know, I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it for now. Save it for now.
Why? Because some woman out there yelled,
Some
save
woman out
it?
there yelled, save it, and
And that made sense to you.
she sounds like a very smart woman.
Open it up.
Is it on the beaten track?
Is it on the beaten track? No, it is not.
Okay.
By the way, the lady who yelled out a while ago is my cousin, Lenore. Pick again.
Okay. Let's take a look under number 17.
Crystal candlesticks.
And the match under number 2.
Number 2, crystal candlesticks. That's a match, and you've earned the right to use the tape if you so desire.
I would like to use that tape, Alex.
Where are you now, Lenore? All right, the tires are going over to Stacy's side. I have a feeling because she feels she can solve this puzzle right now. Let's open the panels and find out together.
Is it off the beaten track?
Is it off the beaten track? Of course it is. Yeah. You know what I'm dying to find out? In the 2 wins you've had so far, you picked up about $7,000 in prizes. I want to see if you've done that again today. But first, we go to the board, and you get to explain the puzzle.
Okay, well, we have the light bulb that's off for off, and of course I saw the one on, so I said, but we'll get back to it later. That down there is a beat, plus this is the 10 Commandments, that's 10, plus the guy tied to the railroad tracks, track. So it's off the beaten track, not on the beaten track.
On the beaten track. That's a new expression, on the beaten track. Tom, before the game, I overheard you talking to Stacy saying one of us has to win and one of us has to lose.
That's right.
You were a prophet. The one in this case is you. But that's just 1 strike against you. You'll come back and play in game number 2 in a little bit. We'll see you then, Tom. All right, Gene, let's tell this young lady what she has won.
Crystal Candlesticks, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select Crystal Candlesticks or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise and golf clubs. Pin Seeker set of custom-made golf clubs, including stainless steel woods with matching radius sole irons and a deluxe staff bag furnished by Pin Seeker. And Performance Tires. Toyo radial tires combine quality and durability with high-performance handling to add style and performance to your car, furnished by Toyo Tires. And a gold-braided bracelet. Today's fashion elegance, a triple-strand braided bracelet, a highly polished finish of Italian 14-karat gold from the Michael C. Fina Company, and a Swiss holiday. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Frankfurt. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Hotel Zurich, a modern deluxe hotel in the heart of Zurich on the bank of the Lamont River. Features indoor swimming pool, fitness club, and shopping arcade. Enjoy Swiss hospitality furnished by Hotel Zurich. And Stacy, there's no number 7 in your prize total this time. It's bigger. $8,291.
Boy, when you win big. 45 seconds on the clock for you in order to win a brand new car when we come back following these messages. All right, Stacy, let's see if we can keep you smiling in this bonus round. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. And the clock with a full 3/4 of a minute, 45 seconds. Good luck, off you go.
1, 4.
Nope.
7, 10.
No again.
13, 2.
No.
7, 2.
Yes.
5, 8.
No.
13, 5.
Right.
11, 14.
No.
3, 4.
No.
1, 9.
Nope.
8, 12.
No.
3, 12.
No.
6, 15.
No.
1, 10. I'm so bad at this.
No, it's not that you're bad. You know, I think you have such a wonderful sense of humor. After you call about 5 or 6 numbers, you suddenly start finding those numbers very humorous.
Very funny.
And you begin to laugh. And you begin to lose your concentration.
A little bit.
Yeah. I noticed that when you took a pause of about 3 seconds before selecting another number, it's just like, gosh, these numbers are so cute, I'm going to just stare at them. But we're not going to worry about you, young lady, because you've got $22,909 in prizes. And by any standards, that is most impressive. And you get to play against Tom again when we come back. Tom, someone is going to win this game and someone's going to lose this game.
I know that.
You want to make a prediction?
I'd like to win this one.
That's a good prediction. That wasn't a prediction, by the way. It was just an expression of desire.
Right.
But if you do win this game, you could wind up with this as one of your prizes.
This Hot Point electric range features a large self-cleaning oven and automatic oven timer. A black glass door with window makes it a beautiful addition to your kitchen, furnished by Hot Point Electric.
Well, let's show our players where the electric range can be found at number 14. And since this is our second game, we have those 5 bonus seconds for the car round. We've added $100 to our cash pot. It's now up to $900, and we have a holiday in Barbados. Ooh. And Tom, you get to go first. And in this game, we have but one wild card.
All right. Let's start at the top with number 3.
Popcorn popper.
And right in the middle at 13.
Electric range, no match. Stacy.
Okay, see what's under number 14.
Electric range.
And right next door at number 13.
Number 13. Tom is crying already. So early in the game. He says, gosh, I'm helping her out on the first selection.
Oh, I didn't thank you. Thank you, Tom.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Anytime, Stace.
Anytime. Mr. Nice Guy, Tom. Open these 2 panels for Stacy. Select again.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 4.
Diamond and pearl earrings.
That would be lovely. Let's try and find a match for those earrings under number 21.
Green take, no match. Tom.
Number 9.
Barbados Beach Vacation.
Wild card. Match number 20.
Electronic keyboard. You didn't want to make the match that early, Tom, because you'll recall what happened in the first game. You got San Juan, and she took it away from you immediately, and you never got to see San Juan.
She took everything away.
Everything, all right.
Okay, let's see what's under number 12.
Green take.
Take. And I just saw that, I think. Was it under number 4?
Diamond
No, it
and pearl
wasn't.
earrings. No match. Tom.
Number 1.
Electronic keyboard.
And number 19.
Cutlery set. No match.
Okay,
Stacy.
number 20. And number 1 for the match.
Number 1 makes it a match, and thanks again to Tom. Tom, I said she took San Juan away from you a while ago. She didn't do that. It was Switzerland she wound up getting. San Juan was yesterday. Stacy, let's take a look at the puzzle here and see if you can solve it with these 2 doors opening. No? Go again.
Let's see what's under number 21. And number 12 for the match.
Yes, for the green take. There it is. He has nothing, so you can't use it right now.
But he's a nice guy.
He is a nice guy. Open these 2 panels. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 2.
200 California lottery tickets.
Feel lucky. Let's look for a match for those under number 18.
Popcorn popper, no match. Tom, you're going to make a match right now. I feel it.
Number 3.
You are going to make a match right now.
And number 18.
You have made a match. Yes, for the popcorn popper.
I'll take it.
Now, can you also solve the puzzle?
No.
That's all right. Pick again.
Number 5.
Cash pot. Ooh, 900.
Right below it, number 10.
Red take. No match. Stacy.
Okay, let's see what's under number 22.
200 California lottery tickets.
Was the match to that under number 2?
200 California lottery tickets. Yes. Now, a moment ago, Tom made a match. He got a popcorn popper, and you have a green take to grab the popcorn popper and put it on your side.
You know what? I think I'm just going to hang on to it a little bit longer. I want the popcorn popper, don't get me wrong, but I just want to hang on to this for a little while longer.
What, do you want to hold it physically?
Yeah, could I?
Sure.
Thank you.
Just keep it in plain sight all the time. Let's open these 2 panels for Stacy. Pick again.
Let's look under number 24.
Pool table.
Pool table. Haven't seen that before, I don't think. Let's look for a match for that under number 11.
Wild card, the only one, and it's a match. And the other pool table is located at number 6, so that prize goes up. You have the green take in your hand.
I do.
You want to take the popcorn popper now?
Not yet.
All right.
Not yet, thanks.
3 panels. Swing them open. Select again.
Okay, let's take a look at number 19.
Cutlery set.
Cutlery set. I think we saw that it may have been under 19, however, so let's look for a match for that under number 8.
No. 5 bonus car seconds. There's the bell. You won't get a chance to use the take, so I will take it away from you, and we will start revealing the puzzle 1 square at a time. You can ring in whenever you think you can solve it. 4, 5. Tom is in there.
Peaceful coexistence.
Yes.
Is it peaceful coexistence?
Yes.
Popcorn popper. Come on over to the board.
All right. The puzzle piece plus the F for full, the full tank, peaceful. The K plus the ho plus the X plus the hiss plus the tense, coexistence. Peaceful coexistence.
Well done. Now, do me a favor. Stand right over here. All right? I want to move in. You see, we started losing part of your face during that explanation, and I thought our producer was angry with you for some reason. We lost you as you came over here, and we're not losing me. So it must be because the producer doesn't like you.
Oh.
I'll talk to him about that during the commercial break. We'll straighten out our producer. Meanwhile, we've got to say goodbye to Stacy. Stacy, 2 holidays, 3 holidays, $22,909 in prizes. Way to go. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll see
Thank
you.
you very much.
So
Good
long.
luck.
Thanks. Stacy was cute. Made me nervous. All right, you won the popcorn popper and a chance to play for a brand new car, and we'll put you to that test after this. Work as a morning drive time DJ should not be worried about nerves in a situation like this. It's going to be a piece of cake for you. 15 numbered squares and a clock with 35 seconds on it. And all you have to do is make those matches. So good luck, and off you go.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No again.
7, 8.
No.
5, 7.
Right?
10, 11.
Nope.
1, 13.
No.
14. 1.
Right.
2, 4.
No.
3, 6.
No.
9, 8.
No.
12. 15.
No.
6. 10.
That last one worked, but too little, too late. That's okay. You weren't nervous, though, were you?
No.
You weren't very good either. No. Oh, sorry.
Thanks for the vote of confidence.
Fellow broadcasters, and we have to nail each other. Gene does it to me all the time. He will probably do it again right now. Won't you, Gene?
Okay, Alex, some of today's participants may receive Jansen's Fashion for Men. Versatile designs in swimwear, golf wear, or sweaters. Designed for your personal style in rich colors and distinctive fabrics furnished by Jansen. And we'll be back to Classic Concentration and Alex Trebek in just a moment.
Tom was just talking about spending time at home raising his little one, and he has a marvelous attitude about that. He and his wife discussed it, and they felt that someone should stay home all the time and be with the child rather than send the little one off to a daycare center.
Right.
That's a good attitude. But, you know, I'll tell you something. You've worked in broadcasting. You should consider, now that you're here in Southern California, getting into television broadcasting. You could wind up hosting a show such as this. Sure. Why not? We'll see you all tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.